crispy reviews and tips once again. So today we're going to learn about the benefits of green coffee and how to make it. But before that, let's see the difference between green coffee and normal coffee. Normal coffee is made by roasting coffee beans, whereas green coffee is plain unroasted raw coffee beans, which gives it more health benefits. Green coffee is beneficial to health due to the high amount of chlorogenic acid present in it, and a considerable amount of chlorogenic acid is lost when coffee beans are roasted. This is the difference between normal coffee and green coffee. Now let's see the benefits of green coffee. According to a study published by Indian Journal Innovative Research, chlorogenic acid present in green coffee helps in melting unwanted fat in the body, thus aiding weight loss. Green coffee helps reduce your appetite and also controls craving, thus preventing weight gain due to overeating. Green coffee also helps reduce the absorption of sugar by body, which makes less sugar available for the body to store as fat. This way, it also prevents the risk of diabetes. Chlorogenic acid also reduces the risk of stress-related heart disease by reducing the level of stress hormone called cortisol. It also boosts your metabolism. So when your metabolism is higher, it reduces the level of glucose secretion from liver into the bloodstream. Thus, the body starts burning the unwanted fat, aiding in weight loss. So having said that, though green coffee has numerous health benefits, it does have some side effects also. As green coffee beans are not roasted, it contains more amount of caffeine than normal roasted coffee. So it is important to remember not to consume excess amount of green coffee also. Consuming too much green coffee can lead to problems like sleep disorder, anxiety and other issues. So it is recommended not to consume more than 2 cups a day. The best time to consume green coffee is half an hour before your breakfast and dinner. And one important thing to remember is always buy green coffee from an authentic seller who sells genuine products. Otherwise, it may contain some kind of chemical additives which is not good for your health. So here is coffee bean powder from Vihado. Vihado green coffee bean powder is 100% natural, 100% organic, raw and unroasted, coarsely ground green coffee bean powder. So now let's see how to make it. So first we'll take about 150 to 180 ml of water and we'll start heating it. When it comes to boil, we'll add about half teaspoon of green coffee bean powder. Let it boil for about 7 to 10 minutes. Now we'll turn off the heat and strain it. You can add about a teaspoon of honey if you wish. And that's it. Our green coffee is ready to drink. So hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching. See you soon in another useful video like this. Until then, bye.